the VH indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, download it and execute it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins to draw a moving average line in blue and red colors. On the price chart, it uses these two colors to display the upward and downward trends in the market. Traders can easily identify entry or exit points using this indicator and engage in buy or sell trades based on their trading strategies. The VH indicator. It is designed based on the popular moving average crossover strategy, which indicates the trend when the moving averages cross upward trend and displays the downward trend. When the blue line is displayed, traders can predict the market's upward trend, and in case of a price pullback to this moving average, they can enter buy trades, or if the red line is displayed, they can predict the downward trend, and in case of a pullback to the red line, they can enter sell trades. In the settings section, under the input part, there are two options available for us, where in the first part, we can set the moving average period, or set the long term, and in the next section, we can adjust the fast or short-term moving average period. We can change it in this section. And using this indicator, we can identify suitable entry points. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.